Air conditioning originated and fun facts about air conditioning. In 1882, Schuyler Scott's Wheeler invented the electric fan. In 1902, just 20 years later, Willis Carrier went a step further and invented the first air conditioner. The 26-year-old got the idea while looking at fog on a train platform in Pittsburgh. He founded the Carrier Engineering Corporation 13 years later in 1915, including keeping the body cool and helping people recover from illness. It can also reduce pain, help people sleep better, make them feel more comfortable and energetic, maintain a stable temperature and humidity level in the air around us, and even make it easier to test and develop medicines for different illnesses. AC makes it possible to live in inhabitable regions. Air conditioning makes it possible to live in places that would otherwise be uninhabitable. For example, Miami wouldn't be a popular destination if it weren't for its year-round warm weather and tropical climate. But without air conditioning, those who live there would have to deal with oppressive heat every day and probably wouldn't want to stay for long. For more videos about this, please follow for me.
This one is 22. Nothing, switch off.